He's gonna run.
Southbound 605 at the 5 HOV lane. Speeding up to about 80 miles an hour. Still monitored heavy traffic on the main line.
Over the 5 now, Southbound 605 at 5 HOV lane. Turn out now, HOV lane 100 light traffic.
Westbound pushing Cherry, HOV lane, 100 miles an hour, light traffic.
Approaching Cherry, HOV lane 100 light traffic.
651 primary.
651 primary.
Westbound 91 HOV lane, 100 miles an hour, approaching the 710.
Westbound 91, 100 miles per hour, approaching the 710.
Transition to the 710. Affirmative, he'll be on the 710, standby for directions.
Transitioning to the 710.
Committed to the southbound 710 from the 91. On the transition road right now. Light traffic.
Southbound 710 from the 91 light traffic. Are there any that can take over a secondary losing tire pressure? Sure, if I can get up there, I'll take over secondary.
Southbound 710, number 3 lane, approaching Long Beach, 100 miles an hour, light traffic. Back to the number 1 lane.
710 number 3 lane, 100 miles per hour, approaching Long Beach, light traffic.
He's using all lanes. Southbound 710 at Long Beach now. He's in the number 2, number 1 lane. 95 miles an hour, light traffic.
Using all lanes, southbound 710 number 2 and number 1, 95 light traffic.
Alright, we're south of Long Beach now. Number 4 lane. 100 miles an hour, light traffic.
Traffic Long Beach now, number 4 lane, 100 light traffic.
Southbound number 2 lane, approaching Delamo, moving over to the number 4 lane. 100 miles an hour, light traffic. Back to the number 1.
Southbound number 2 approaching Delamo, moving to number 4 lane, 100 light traffic, now back at number 1.
Alright, we're coming up to some moderate traffic on the southbound 710. Moving over to the right lane. About 85 miles an hour. And looks like the 405 is next.
Moderate traffic, southbound 710 in the right lane, 85 miles, 5 miles per hour, and the 405 is next.
Alright, southbound approaching the 91, number 3 lane, coming up to some heavy traffic. Stand by, looks like he's transitioning to the 405, stand by.
Transitioning to the 405, stand by.
Alright, stand by for direction on the 405.
Direction on the 405.
So then King 3, I'm now secondary.
K3 taking secondary.
He stayed on the transition to stay south 710. South 710, just south of the 405 on the transition road. Heavy traffic, 35, 40 miles an hour.
Southbound 710 for the south of the 405 in the transition road, heavy traffic, 35, 40.
Passing on the shoulder, and he'll be exiting on Wardlow. Looking eastbound on Wardlow.
Passing on the shoulder, exiting eastbound at Wardlow.
We'll be eastbound on Wardlow over the riverbed. Light traffic.
Eastbound Wardlow over the LA riverbed, light traffic.
Major will be Pacifica, Great Pacific, and we got light traffic there.
We'll be at Pacific and light traffic.
It's through Pacific coming up to standby. Long Beach, number 1 lane, and he's making a right turn out to southbound Long Beach.
Making a right turn southbound Long Beach from Wardlow.
Number 1 lane, speeding up to about 65, 70 miles an hour southbound Long Beach, 0 traffic.
And the number 1 lane speeding at 65, 70 southbound Long Beach, 0 traffic.
Standby. Through Springs, south on Long Beach through Spring Street. Number 2 lane, 65, 70 miles an hour, light traffic. King 3, we're south on Pacific Avenue.
King 3, Pacific Avenue.
H52, correction, that is Pacific Avenue. A for southbound Pacific approaching Willow.
Southbound Pacific approaching Willow.
He's through Willow. East, correction, going east on Willow Street from Pacific.
East on Willow Street from Pacific.
This will be Long Beach. We'll go to the right lane, red light at Long Beach.
Long Beach right lane at a red light.
Right turn on Long Beach from Willow Street. Light traffic. Number 1 lane, speeding up to 65, 70 miles an hour.
Right turn on Willow from right turn on Long Beach from Willow number 1, 65, 70 light traffic.
You're good, you're good, you're good.
On Long Beach, make a left turn on Hill Street. Hill Street from Long Beach.
Southbound on Hill Street from Long Beach.
Eastbound on Hill Street, next major will be Atlantic.
Eastbound Hill, next major Atlantic.
All right, looks like he's making a right turn on Atlantic in the number 1 lane, speeding up to about 65 miles an hour, light traffic.
Right turn on Atlantic, number 165 light traffic.
On the 1st Street, 21st Street.
Left on 21st Street.
21st Street and made another right turn, stand by. Turn right here, units, right turn, right here. And it made a quick left on the very first block as well. Be 20th Street, left turn, eastbound on 20th Street.
Eastbound 20th Street.
They made a right turn on Martin Luther King, southbound on Martin Luther King. Here, units, make a right turn.
Southbound on MLK.
Alright, he's coming up to Pacific Coast Highway, through Pacific Coast Highway, southbound Martin Luther King, through Pacific Coast Highway.
Approaching from southbound Martin Luther King.
Alright, he's heading southbound the wrong way, and making a right turn by the tennis court. He's taking footmill. He's at the corner, he's ready. Out of the vehicle, heading southbound into the very first house at the corner.
Jumping out of the vehicle, he is now on foot, looking, okay, look at this. Is this a stranger's home, or does he know this person? Nope, he is certainly making this up now. Is he gonna try, what's he doing here? What is he doing? Okay, hands up, giving himself up. Giving himself up, he sees CHP, they're gonna make communication here. Guns drawn, officers with their guns drawn. CHP troopers aim squarely at that suspect, now proning himself out, following orders as they approach him and attempt to make a felony arrest here. You can see that Chippy standing by right there. He is not going to put up a fight, and this pursuit coming to as safe of a possible resolution as you could have possibly imagined. It really couldn't end any better than this, because that was very, very scary when you consider the speeds he was going.
Yeah, that came to a very fast ending, and look at this. You know, the youngsters with their cell phones have to get a little shot of this, but part of the danger of these pursuits, if he would have continued on in this neighborhood at that high rate of speed, there are pedestrians, there are kids out, no school tomorrow, etc. A lot of danger zones. We are so lucky that this guy decided to get smart, even though truly that wasn't his intention in the beginning. But when he found that he had nowhere to go, he did give up, and he gave up without a fight. So thankful there. Nobody was hit, no injuries that we know of.
No.
Colleen, this
It's
is the
worth
best, yeah.
reiterating, for the second time this week, we have seen the California Highway Patrol apply tremendous pressure on yet another suspect running from the law at high speeds, very dangerous maneuvers, and yet they were still able to keep up with him. And not only were they able to keep up with him, they were willing to give those officers the authority to continue the pursuit, to bring this person into custody as safely as they possibly could. It is so interesting when you cover these pursuits for a living to see the various tactics change over time with different agencies in our area, different municipalities, and different law enforcement. Different law enforcement outlets have different tactics, and CHP, especially lately, has certainly been compensating with very, very aggressive tactics.